Hi Kenny. What are you doing?
Hey Ninu. I'm just reading an article from India today.
What about the news? Anything interesting?
Yes! Researchers from the Indian Institute of Geomagnetism (IG) identified and reported the presence of solitary waves in the Martian magnetosphere.
Oh, science. Interesting. Can you explain in detail?
Sure. Before getting detailed into this, we need to know about particles, charged particles, solar wind, geomagnetic field, the study of geomagnetism, solitary waves and MAVEN spacecraft.
So much to know. But, interesting. Shall we have a cup of coffee and discuss the same?
Yeah, sure. I'm too tired of seeing the screen.
Yeah, now you can start explaining. Seems to be an interesting topic.
Yes! Let me start with particle. In the physical sciences, a particle is a small object which can be described by several physical or chemical properties, such as volume, density, or mass.
Yeah. They vary greatly in size or quantity, from subatomic particles like the electron, to microscopic particles like atoms and molecules, to macroscopic particles like powders, and other granular materials.
Exactly. Particles can also be used to create scientific models of even larger objects, depending on their density, such as humans moving in a crowd, or celestial bodies in motion.
Interesting. So, what about charged particles?
In physics, a charged particle is a particle with an electric charge. It may be an ion, such as a molecule, or atom with a surplus or deficit of electrons relative to protons. It can also be an electron or a proton, or another elementary particle, which are all believed to have the same charge.
Thank you. Great explanation. And, how about solar wind? Any relation between solar wind and charged particles?
Yes! The solar wind is a stream of charged particles, released from the upper atmosphere of the Sun, called the corona. This plasma mostly consists of electrons, protons, and alpha particles with kinetic energy between 0.5 and 10 keV.
Amazing. Can you explain about geomagnetism?
Yes! Earth's magnetic field, also known as the geomagnetic field, is the magnetic field that extends from Earth's interior out into space, where it interacts with the solar wind emanating from the Sun. Also, the study of geomagnetic field is known as geomagnetism. In India, alike, we have IG Indian Institute of Geomagnetism, too. And this article is all about their research discovery in Mars.
Feeling proud. Can explain the same.
Researchers from the Indian Institute of Geomagnetism (IG) identified and reported the presence of solitary waves in the Martian magnetosphere. A team of Indian scientists have found the first evidence of the presence of solitary waves around Mars. These solitary waves are distinct electric field fluctuations in the Martian magnetosphere that control particle energization, plasma loss, and transport through wave-particle interactions. Researchers from the Indian Institute of Geomagnetism (IG) identified and reported the solitary waves in the Martian magnetosphere, with the help of high-resolution electric field data recorded by Langmuir probe and WAVES instrument on NASA's Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution (MAVEN) spacecraft.
Mind blown. Great research. Nice article, and thanks for sharing with me. G for genius. Keep reading and we can interact on the same. Nice talking to you. Cheers.
Thank you! Back to the system. If you like this video, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel. Also, do like, comment and share. Thank you! Cheers!